Welcome back. Vasco MLA has assured to complete construction of 4-lane highway from Varnapuri to Gandhinagar by January. People of Gandhinagar are aggrieved with frequent accidents and thefts along the stretch. They complained that the stretch is lying unattended by the state government from past 7 years. They have demanded immediate completion of the road.
Have a look at this road. The road is untarred and unattended for almost 7 years. This is the stretch from Varnapuri in Mangur Hill to Gandhinagar. There is no lamppost along the stretch, which makes the stretch vulnerable.
2006 त्यांच्याने हे खड्डे मारले आणि लोकांची घराबिरा सगळी मोडून उडयल्या, लोकांक सध्या त्रासान उडयल्ले आसा आणि ते आता लोकांचे कितें आसा प्रॉब्लेम, लोक अजूनपासून लोकांच्या भाड्यांनी रावतात. आता 7 वर्सां जाली जाल्यार ते लोकांका इतलो ते रावल्यार त्यांचे कितले पैसे बाबा भाड्यांनी जे दिल्ले आसा लोकांनी, ते भाड्याचो पैसो इतलो वेस्ट जावचो नासलो न्ही लोकांचो. त्याचप्रमाणे आता करता म्हणून सांगून आता जवळजवळ 8 वर्सां जाली त्यांच्याने मांगूर पर्यंत केला. वेर्णा टू हार्बर जावपाचो आसा रस्तो. ते कितें म्हणटात आता थोडे दीस सांगतात कितें ना ती घरां सड्या वयली मोडपाची आसा, ती तेका लागून आमी डायवर्ट करता रस्तो म्हणून सांगतात. पूण रस्तो डायवर्ट करता जाल्यार तो करा न्ही बेगीन.
पर्रीकर सरकारान आमचो BJP सरकार येयला आनी बरें काम करता. ताणें जाता तितके बेगीन आमचो क्लियर करया रस्तो. सामके गाडयेचे इतके ट्रक गाडी लोकांचे हाल जाता आणि रस्त्यान मेन म्हणजे लायटी ना.
Carlos Almeida has assured to get the stretch ready by January.
MPT आता हँडओव्हर केला टू GSIDC आणि GSIDC कन्सल्टंट अपॉइंट केला. सो आय थिंक बाय लाईक जानेवारी इवन आय चीफ मिनिस्टर रिक्वेस्ट केला की फ्रॉम द मंगूर जंक्शन वर्णापुरी गेट टिल गांधीनगर रोड कन्स्ट्रक्ट करून म्हणून आम्ही एक बारीकसा रोड केला अप टू द टेम्पल, बट द रोड शुड बी कंटिन्यूड फर्दर अप टिल गांधीनगर. कित्याक खूप लोकांना त्रास जाता.
Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
President of the revived Goa Basketball Association, Father Ralin de Souza, says he is open for discussion over the issue of factionalism in Goan basketball. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar himself is looking to end the tussle between G.B.A and A.G.B once and for all. Sports Authority of Goa and Goa Olympic Association wants the officials of both the bodies to sort out the issues as soon as possible. Father Ralin claims that he is open to any change provided that it is legal.
What do you think about the situation of basketball in Goa?
Basketball has been quite dormant other than a few places, and the calling of the state championship wasn't my own idea. Basically, the first task we had at hand was the nationals coming up in December, and for any selection of a state team you have to have a championship. You cannot select a team by just calling individuals and putting an announcement. We have to see them playing. So that's the reason why we said let's do it properly right from the start. And everybody was unanimous, and we said okay, keeping in mind that Lusophonia would have happened in November, we cut out that period of time. We said we have to have a camp immediately after that, so we can't be having a championship after Lusophonia. So we have enough time for us to select the probables of almost 30, at least decide who are the ones going to be there, where is the camp going to be held, and then the camp gets just over in time so that we can leave for Delhi for the nationals, that is on 27th of November.
Right. Father, everybody knows Goan basketball has been unwell for such a long time. Do you think the crisis in Goan basketball is over now?
I don't know whether the crisis is over. As far as we are concerned, we are looking forward. There have been issues with different groups of people who have been showing that there is an interest in basketball. For me, that's a positive sign. But whatever change is going to take place, it has to be legal. You cannot simply come out with a change which is totally independent of what's happening. Even though we are a new body just come into elected just about a month back, I don't think we can close an eye to all the efforts the SCG has put into the camp for almost more than 6 months. So the positive part is we are looking forward. And I am happy that the interest has come about because the very fact more than 29 teams altogether have participated, that's a very positive sign.
Right. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said on record that there are 2 factions in basketball and he is trying to unite them. Is Goa Basketball Association ready to sort this matter out for a speedy resolution?
Personally, I would say we are very open and welcome to any suggestion. As long as, we keep in mind that every society, every association has got its own criteria and its own constitution. We cannot simply turn things for our own need. The doors are open. If you have interest, you can always come in. If you feel, a suggestion that can come from someone outside, which will really help basketball, we are very welcome.
Now, if the CM constitutes a committee to sort out the issues of the groups that, as you have called, would the Goa Basketball Association be ready to go for a face-to-face chat?
Oh yeah, absolutely. At the end of the day, it is the interest of the players, it's the interest of the people. We cannot be debarring and say, no, we are not open, but as long as it's something legal.
With video journalist Devendra Gaokar, this is Neeraj Prabhu for Prudent.
India's interior consumer exhibition is underway at Talegaon Community Hall. The exhibition has a range of appliances from interior decorations in the house to kitchen appliances. Last day of the exhibition is on Sunday. Make a visit to the exhibition and shop at reasonable rates. Have a look. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.